Hello everyone. So today we continue our last lecture regarding the innovation and diffusion. Basically, in this slide we discuss about the medical devices is represent one of the most important category in the health innovation. So this include diagnostic equipment, implementable devices and instrument imaging the technologies like the robotic system, patient monitoring, and the patient monitoring equipment developing head tech innovation required extensive scientific research. Instrument digital health, the software shift. Digital health refers the digital technologies to improve the healthcare delivery, the patient engagement, disease prevention, and health system management. So examples include the electronic health records, mobile health application, wearable sensors, remotes, and cloud-based clinical things. So this kind of things helps to improve the system and diffuse the things which is very important due to the high cost and limited evidence. So clinical studies demonstrate and improve the precision and patient outcome. Digital health is refers to the applications in the diffusion innovation process, the patient engagement in disease the prevention, and health system management. For example, include the record data, mobile health things, and it's also prevent from the cyber security and interoperability while existing system and production the patient's privacy. Healthcare professionals can more improve the adopt the digital solution that simplify the workflows rather than increase the administrative burden. Entrepreneurs is therefore prioritize usage the data security and regulatory compliance and continuous technical support with when developing the digital health innovation. Now we know that about the artificial intelligence, which is plays a very important role in any diffusion innovation process. By the help we can work quick and low issues of human errors. Basically, it's a merge of the transformative, innovative, and the AI system is can analyze the large volumes of clinical data, assess in medical imaging interpretations, and predict the disease risk and support the clinical decision making. Automated system administrative tasks and personalized treatment recommendations. So AI adoptions remain the influenced by the several factors including the trust, transparency, regulatory approval, data quality, and ethical considerations. Wearable health technologies. Wearable healthcare technologies represent another rapidly growing area of medical innovation. So these devices include the smartwatches, fitness trackers, continuous glucose monitors, wearable ECG monitors, sleep trackers, blood pressures and monitors, and some biosensor capable of continue collecting biophysiological data. So wearable empower patients to actively participate participate of the feedback and other wearable devices. So as technology advancements, wearable devices are expected to play an increasing important role. This is the section 5. So in this we discuss about the factor influence adoptions. At this point we have explored how innovation is spread for the society of different group and technologies. So appear its beneficial, relative advantage, compatible and complexity, and traditionally identify the 5 attributes to observe. So first one is the relative advantage. The first and often most influential attribute, the relative advantage, which refers to degree to which innovation is perceived as being superior to the practice and technology it replaces. So importantly, the perceived advantage rather than rather than objective advantage drives the adoption decisions and the healthcare professionals. For example, the minimal invasive laparoscopic surgery and gain widespread acceptance because it often clear advantages. Complexity. The second attribute is a complexity, which refers to how well innovation align with the values and beliefs, experiences, organizational culture, exciting workflows of often potential adopts so innovation that fit naturally into the established clinical practice are generally adopt much more than requiring the major behavior organizational changes. For example, the digital health application integrated seamlessly with an exciting electronic medical record is for more likely to accept it, requiring the healthcare professionals. Now we discuss about the trialability. You know that the final two attributes is a trialability and observability. Also play critical roles in influence adoption. So refers to extent to which innovation can be trusted on a limited basis before full implementations. The healthcare organizations often prefer the pilot diagram demonstrate the projects on a small scale than clinical trials because this allows them to evaluate effectiveness, identify the challenge, so minimize the financial risk and making major investments. For example, a hospital may introduce AI-assisted diagnostic system and one department expanding it throughout the organization. Observability, and on the other hand, refers to how visible to innovations and result are to others. So innovation with obvious measurable outcomes spread more rapidly. Basically, in this slide we discuss about the many healthcare innovators still fail to achieve the widespread innovations, and this success that occurs because the diffusion is influenced by only innovations itself, but also numerous external barriers operating individual, organizational, in financial, technology, and regulatory levels. Understanding these barriers is essential for healthcare entrepreneurs. So, because this even highly effective technologies can fail the implementations and are again the common obstacles and include the limited financial resources. It is section 6, adoption barriers. In this section we discuss about the barriers. Despite the favorable characteristics, active achieve the widest adoptions. This occurs the diffusion is influenced by only innovations is numerous barriers operating in the individual, organizational, financial, technological, and regulatory levels. Understanding the first barriers are essential for healthcare entrepreneurs because even highly effective technologies can fail if implementation challenges are ignored. So common obstacles include the limited financial resources, inadequate infrastructure, resistance to organization change. Financial barriers. Of financial consistency is most significant barriers to healthcare innovations. Developing, purchasing, implementing, and maintaining the new medical technologies often require a substantial financial investment. So, hospital must evaluate not only the purchase price but also installation cost, staff training, maintaining software updates, and long-term operational expenses. Even innovations offers the long-term savings. High initial costs may discourage adoption, so particularly in resource-limited healthcare system, reimbursement and policies can also important role. So if insurance provided a pro-government health program do not reimburse new technologies, healthcare organization may reluctant. Technological barriers. Successful healthcare innovation depends heavily on appropriate technological infrastructure, and many healthcare organizations face the challenge such as outdated computer system, so unreliable internet connectivity, poor interoperability between the software platforms, cybersecurity risk, and the limited technical expertise. Organizational barriers. Healthcare organizations are complex institutions where successful innovation depends on the effective leadership and teamwork, communications, and change management. So, organizational barriers can often include the resistance from staff, inadequate the leadership support, insufficient training, and competing institutional priorities. So, fear of disturbing established workflows, and the entrepreneurs should work closely with the hospital administrators and clinical champions and multidisciplinary learners to develop the implementations. Regulatory and ethical barriers. Basically, healthcare innovation must safety rigorous regulatory and ethical standard before the widespread adoption and can occur. Government regulatory agencies require the extensive evidence demonstrating the safety and effectiveness and quality of new drugs. So, medical devices, their digital health platform, and artificial intelligence systems. So, this approval process protect the patient but can significantly delay the market early entry and the increase the development cost. So basically, patient and the professional barriers are beyond the financial, technological, and organizational regulatory challenges that attitude and behavior, both healthcare organizational and professionals, determine whether innovation succeed or fails. So healthcare professionals may resist adopting a new challenges due to the concern about increase the workload, lack of confidence in using the unfamiliar system, fear of making errors, and insufficient of escapism. And regarding the clinical effectiveness, experience the clinicians who have relied on their traditional practices. This is a case study regarding the diffusion innovation of the telemedicine 2025 and to 2020-2025. So telemedicine provide the clearest modern example of robust diffusion innovation. So theory in practice, although telemedicine technologies had existed of many years of 2020. So adoption remained relatively limited due to the regulatory restriction, reimbursement challenges. So clinical technology landscape, remote healthcare delivery, hospital, government healthcare providers. So patients rapidly recognize the relative advantage of virtual consultations in maintaining the access to care, reducing the risk of infection. This is the second case study analysis. What's the lesson learned in this case study? Basically, the widespread adoption of the telemedicine between the 2020 to 2025 offers several valuable lessons for healthcare innovators and entrepreneurs. First, it highlights the importance of relative advantage. So, telemedicine is clearly demonstrate the improve the access of care, reduce the exposure of infection disease. Second, compatibility was strengthened because the telemedicine aligned with the urgent need to maintain the services face-to-face contract. And the third is the complexity. Healthcare organization or address these challenges through staff training, right? And technical support and user-friendly digital platform. Fourth is the hospital successfully implemented telemedicine through the pilot programs and allow the clinical to gain the experiences. Observably encouraging the additional healthcare providers to adopt diffusion requires more than technological innovation alone. So this is the key takeaways as we conclude this lecture regarding the diffusion innovations. First theory, innovation diffusion is fundamentally a social process rather than simply a technological one. Successful adoption depends on the communication, trust, collaboration, and the relationship within the healthcare system. Second, innovation spread through the innovation decision process, beginning with the knowledge processing and through the persuasion, decision, implementation, confirmation. Third one is the healthcare professional adopt the innovation at different rates. So represented by adopter categories, innovator, early adopter, early maturators, and early maturity recorded. And fourth one, the rate of diffusion is strongly influenced by the 5 innovation attributes and relative advantage, compatibility, complexity, trialability, observability. So finally, health innovators must recognize the address financial, technological, organizational, regulatory, ethical, and patient and professional barriers for implementation. So thank you everyone.